Hello everyone! So excited to have you back. Today's lesson is all about opposites. Let's begin. Big, big. Small, small. The elephant is big. The mouse is small. Fast, fast. Slow, slow. The rabbit is fast. The turtle is slow. Full, full. Empty, empty. The jar is full. The jar is empty. Happy, happy. Sad, sad. Lisa is happy. Stan is sad. Open, open. Close, close. The door is open. The door is closed. Dirty, dirty. Clean, clean. Ed's shirt is dirty. Samina's dress is clean. Wet, wet. Dry, dry. Mike is wet. Christy is dry. Soft, soft. Hard, hard. The pillow is soft. The brick wall is hard. Strong, strong. Weak, weak. Yasser is strong. Ben is weak. Asleep, asleep. Awake, awake. Susie is asleep. Lily is awake. Light, light. Heavy, heavy. The box is light. The bag is heavy. Cold, cold. Hot, hot. The ice is cold. The fire is hot. Sweet, sweet. Sour, sour. The ice cream is sweet. The lemon is sour. Push, push. Pull, pull. Ken is pushing the box. Sam is pulling the box. On, on, off, off. The light is on. The light is off. That will be all for today. I hope you found the lesson helpful and learned some new opposites. I will see you next class. Bye! By the end of this lesson, I know what opposite means. I know at least 5 new opposites.